Yes, we did. Oh my God, we got so much snow. That's why we was not able to get to you guys, but we have so much information for you guys stored up. So let's rock and roll to the point.
Yes, so on this video, we want to strategically talk to you guys about our personal natural hair care journeys. We're going to break it down with a few pictures. So who want to go first?
I'll go first. So like we had said in our first video, when you guys first got introduced to Curly Intuitionz, we both met at high school. We both didn't really know that much about natural hair. Then, of course, I ended up going with my natural stylist. Well, not my natural stylist, but I was in a natural hair care salon where I got my hours from. And I just decided from that point, let me go natural. I was a relaxed person. I did used to get relaxers. I got them, per se, because everybody else was getting them. So I guess I was a little follower. But at the end of the day, when I got that fine relaxer that burnt my head up and had me having a headache and a scab, that was the last day I had a relaxer.
Those relaxers are no joke.
No joke. It burnt me up. So
I think everybody has like a horror story.
A horror story.
Nobody who gets relaxers is like, oh, I get relaxers and it's awesome. Nobody says that.
No shade.
No shade.
Some people need it. Some people, do it because of a trend. I was a trend thing because I just wanted to see what it was like.
Easier maintenance. Some people do it for easier maintenance. Their lifestyle. We're not knocking. We're just saying. Nobody has like a skip through the tulip story about relaxers.
Exactly. Good point. But once that was all done, I went straight to just growing my hair out, normal relaxers, basic blowouts. Me and Kylie was doing each other hair in school. So we had basic blowout styles. And then I just woke up one day and was like, I do not want to do my hair no more. Like, I do hair at school, I do hair at home, I do hair at work. If you guys could see these roots, I got to get my hair done, but I just got so tired of doing hair. So I came to school that day, all my hair was chopped off, and in my brain, I was like, I'm going to go ahead and get 2-strand twists. I'm going to rock those bad boys, but I ended up letting those lock up. So the pictures that y'all will be seeing is actually my beginning stage of my traditional locks that I had for 5 years. Combed, picked those out. They were pretty.
They were so pretty. Like,
they
when
were
I tell
red.
y'all, those were the most prettiest locks
I
had ever seen. Because like she was saying, like when we went natural, a lot of people weren't going natural. So when you thought about dreadlocks, it's one stereotype that everybody just about goes to. They think about thick, uneven locks.
Dirty, nasty.
But when I saw her locks, I was like, those are the prettiest locks I've ever seen in my entire life.
Thank you, Kylie.
And I absolutely loved them. It kind of made me think about wanting to get locks, but after I told Whitney I want, she was like, you have too much hair.
Too much hair. What we gonna do with that? Hey, let's get hair all the way down here. What you want to do? Braid, plait, 2-strand? Girl, bad. But at the end of the day, she still went natural.
I did.
But yes, so I ended up having my traditional locks for 5 years. It was amazing. My bright idea. I took the sister lock class, and when you get to that sister lock class, everybody in your head like this. Like, what is going on? What do you got? Are you in this class because you learning? Are you in this class because you want to be I-spying? Like, what is your purpose? So, took that class. I fell in love with sister locks. And that same day, we were in there picking out our hair. 3 days and 4 people it took to get all my traditional locks out. And you can pick traditional locks out, but I got them out. And 3 months, tried to blow out. I tried to sew in. I had to get up every morning, roll to set my hair. I said, this is for the birds. And 3 months later, I had my sister locks that I love. And this is 9 years later, so it can be done. But I love my sister locks. I wouldn't change it for the world. I love my traditional locks. I just need a new, different look. But other than that, I love my natural hair journey. It was a very easy transition, being that I already had my mind set on it. I wasn't worrying about the birds in my ears saying, girl, it's going to be nappy. Girl, what you going to do with your head?
Because I told y'all she came to school with it covered up. Like, she went for no nonsense. When she started her locks, she was no nonsense. She didn't want nobody looking at her hair. She didn't want nobody asking no questions. She just waited until they got to, I guess, the length she was comfortable with. And then it was... New woman. I'm every woman. It's all in me. That's how Whitney came into school, y'all. Like,
that was
just a total new girl.
Total new girl.
So did you have any hardships?
Yes,
that you want to share with the people?
I think the hardest part of the whole transition is actually being confident in yourself and not really worrying about what everybody else is going to say about your head, because everybody's going to talk about you and you are going to be the center of attention, which is a good note because you never know who's watching, that you might inspire somebody else. So, and I get really, really, a lot of people like my hair. So, even if they didn't, I didn't care because I was tired of doing my hair anyway.
That's what's up. So my natural hair journey isn't as smooth as Whitney's. Whitney's was a little bit more smooth than me. Even though we've gone through the basics, we told you I went to school together and we was doing each other's hair, and she told me that I didn't need a relaxer. Y'all heard all of that already. But I think what I haven't really shared openly, like with the public, is like my breakage, like from when because when I transitioned to natural, I had this thought in my mind that I could kind of go crazy with colors. I could do different things with my hair because I was natural, because I wasn't putting a relaxer in my hair anymore. I went into this whole mindset that, okay, cool. Well, since I'm not putting that chemical in my hair, I can put these chemicals in my hair. And I didn't put two and two together.
We have the most fragile hair. Natural hair is the most fragile.
Yeah, natural hair is, you really have to take care of your natural hair. Like, just because you have natural hair does not mean that you're supposed to color it all the time, lift it all the time, that you can do all these things, because your hair will fall out.
It will fall out.
It will fall out. Your hair will be like, look, I can't take no more. And since you're not treating me good, I'm just about to
let it go.
Break off.
Yeah. I only color my hair once a year on my sister lock anniversary, and it's this time. I think I'm a year over.
Because when you learn better, you do better.
Yes.
And so I had to learn. And so what I love about my journey is that it did have its ups and downs. Everybody's journey will have its ups and downs, but I learned from it, and now I'm able to educate my clients about it as well.
Exactly.
Because when it happened to me, I wanted to do more research to find out, okay, why did this happen? Why didn't this happen? What's going on with my growth? XYZ. So y'all are about to see a few pictures of my actual breakage. My hair got fried, y'all. Yeah. Like really, really fried. So I took the advice that I always give my clients. There's no reason to keep any type of dead hair on your hair. If it's damaged, get it off. Because what's going to end up happening, you guys, and I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible. So, when you have major breakage or damage at the ends of your hair, right? And your hair is growing from the root. As your hair is growing, the hair at the end is just going to keep breaking up. Splitting all the way up. So your hair is growing. It's not that your hair isn't growing, but it's the fact that down the end, you're not retaining your length. So you're not going to see the length that's coming from your scalp as it grows down. Okay, so that's why you're like, why is my hair not growing? Oh, your hair is growing, but it's just at your ends. You possibly need to do a good fresh cut on your ends because you're not retaining your length.
And a hot oil treatment, definitely.
And some type of treatment conditioner.
And lots of water.
Yes,
water is the key.
Water,
I'm trying to tell you, that water
amazing for your body, for your hair. We like to say, and we like to share with our clients that your hair is like a flower. Whatever you put on the inside of it, it will either bloom beautifully or it will literally just deteriorate.
Because we can tell when y'all be eating that fried chicken.
We can tell. We can tell it.
We can tell it.
We can tell. Your hair tells a lot about you. It really does. The odors from your hair and your scalp, your scalp period, your scalp condition, whether your hair is brittle or soft, your hair tells on you, basically.
It does.
So, so after I did my big chop, that was considered my big chop because my hair was always long. And I cut my hair into the short bob, short in the back, a little long in the front. And I loved it, and I rocked it for a good little while, for almost about a year. I rocked it. I loved the quickness of it. I could do my hair so quick when it was shorter. And I just really, really loved when my hair was short. Yeah. I really did. But since then, you guys, I literally have been leaving my hair alone. And when I say leaving my hair alone, of course I shampoo, condition, try different styles and things like that. But for the most part, 90% of the time when you see me, my hair is up and away from my face, or either I have it, in like something like this, like some type of protective style. I have it in a style that I'm not digging in it, I'm not pulling on it, I'm leaving it alone.
Twisting, bad. Yeah, stuff like that. Because some people have nervous issues, and the first thing they do is put their hands in their head. Yeah. That's a big thing too.
Yeah, and hands so my hair right now is the longest and fullest it's ever been. Because in high school it was big and curly, but now it is like. I said, Katie, I
had to do one of y'all. I just had to do it, and I'm her best friend. Just do a double check, because I was like, you be fighting me. I be like, Katie,
she's so silly.
Katie, I need to tame it.
Yes, but it has really flourished like crazy, and I really attest that to just doing my research, learning what is best for my hair, and sticking to it.
Definitely.
To it. So like Whit said, like in regards to chemicals on her locks, she only does that once a year. And for me, I only allow myself to flat iron my hair 4 times a year. And a lot of times I really don't even use up those 4 times.
True.
I might do 2 times. Like I haven't flat ironed my hair this year yet. As we know.
Since we made our first video.
Yeah, since we made our first video, and we did that back in December.
Yeah.
So this year, I haven't flat ironed it. And last year, I only used 3 times. Mm-hmm. So that's just me. And I kind of I figure out what's kind of going on in the year and when I'm going to kind of want my hair to be flat ironed, and I kind of choose it, accordingly. And I don't even waste my time with flat ironing my hair in the summertime. Like, you will not see my hair flat ironed in the summertime at all. Because it's no point. Because my hair usually reverts right back. As soon as that humidity hits my hair, it reverts back. So it was no point of even damaging
your hair.
My hair. In regards to the heat. Putting in a whole lot of heat. So
Definitely.
Did I miss out anything? Leave out anything?
I don't think so, but I know we're going to get right to these pictures so y'all can see.
Well, we already started inserting pictures.
Well, that's so true.
Yeah, so y'all done seen our pictures.
Are you going to cut that part out?
No, I'm going to leave it.
They're going to have
I'm going to leave all of this. I'm going to leave all
always
of this.
catch me on my off day.
So we, if you guys have any questions about our journey, you sure we didn't leave nothing out?
I don't think so.
Oh, we wanted to talk about how everybody's journey is different.
That is so true. That was the final topic before I said the thing about the pictures.
Yeah.
That was the final topic.
We really want to stress to you guys how different everybody's journey is. And one thing in being natural, you have to be patient with your hair. We went over this like fairly quickly. Our journeys and our pictures are doing a lot of the talking for us, but it took time. And we really had to learn our own hair, period, point blank. We had to learn our hair. We had to learn what products work with our hair, what products didn't work with our hair. And we really had to tune out all of the naysayers. Everybody who was trying to tell us, oh, you're doing this wrong, or you're doing that wrong, or you should probably, you should reconsider going natural and stuff like that. All of that type of stuff. We were like,
just be you, and in your heart, if you feel like what you put in your hair is the right thing, then that's definitely what you need to be putting in.
And you'll learn
a lot of different things you could put in your hair, but it has to be perfect for your head and your body.
And when I say, and I guess when I want to clear this up, when I say people saying what not to put in your hair, what I'm saying is people who don't got no type of knowledge whatsoever about natural hair. So if you got somebody who don't know nothing about natural hair telling you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, but you have well-endowed people who are knowledgeable about it telling you these are the things you should do, those are the people I'm telling you to tune out. So like if a professional is telling you no, you're doing something wrong, listen to the professional. You guys get what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying constructive criticism. Every constructive criticizing comment isn't bad. Just make sure it's coming from a source that knows what they're talking about.
Like, definitely.
That is the main thing. So,
definitely.
I think I cleared that up pretty good.
Yes. So with that all being said, I hope you guys got a better glimpse of our natural hair journey, and we will see you guys later in tuning in.
See ya. What does adjust your crown mean?
Adjust your crown, girl?
Yes, girl. That means
crown. Make sure you are bold and beautiful in the crown that God bless you with on your head. Yes. And if you need to cock it to the left, cock it to the left. But if you need to cock it to the right, make sure it's tight.
Just make sure it don't fall.
Yes.
Don't let your crown fall off your head. Crown
With
in meaning
nobody.
Right, meaning who you are, the beauty, you know, in and out. You guys need to make sure that crown is front and center
at all times.
So yeah, so make sure you adjust your crown. If somebody tipped it over a little bit, just adjust it back. All right,
you got it.
Adjust your crown.
Later.